In this video, we're going to teach you how to make quick, easy egg-based brownies. Start out with your butter and your chocolate. Use dark chocolate in this case. Put it together into a bowl and put it in the microwave for about a minute and a half until it has melted, and you can mix it all together with the whisk like this. Once it comes together, you can set it aside. Then add all of your castor sugar and eggs into one bowl. Crack each egg carefully to ensure that there is no egg shells inside this. Add some vanilla essence to this to mask the smell of your eggs. Whisk it all together until it comes together and is a little nice and fluffy. Combine your chocolate mixture and your egg mixture together. Whisk it well. Once it's all come together, it should be a little elastic like this. Then add into it your flour mixture. Your flour already contains a pinch of salt in this. Fold it together until it's all nicely come together and it's even and homogeneous. Pour the mix into an 8-inch square tin. The tin should be lined with foil, and you can pour it all in and bake it directly.